Welcome back to Cooking with Peter. Today we're going to be making Taiwanese style popcorn chicken. Let's get started. We're going to start by prepping our chicken. We're using 2 pieces of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. First, slice into thin, long strips, and then you're going to want to cube your chicken. It's pretty simple, just rinse and repeat with the rest of your chicken. Alright, now that your chicken is all cut up, it's time to get to marinating. You're going to start with 3/4 of a tablespoon of soy sauce, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, about 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and about 3 to 4 cloves of freshly crushed garlic. And you're going to need 1 egg white. I'd recommend doing this into a separate bowl first, just in case you end up breaking the yolk. And now for my super secret ingredient, the juice of 1/4 of an orange. The citric acid in the orange juice really helps tenderize the meat. This way you get a nice crispy exterior while maintaining a super juicy interior. And now just give it a nice mix. Be sure to really incorporate all those ingredients together. Once that's done, you're going to cover it with a plate and just let it sit off to the side for about 10 to 15 minutes. While our chicken is resting, we're going to get our seasoning ready. Into a small bowl, put in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, black pepper is fine as well, and about 1/2 teaspoon or so of chili powder. Give it a quick mix and then you're all done. Now it's time to prep our chicken for the fryer. Start by filling the bottom of a mixing bowl with some cornstarch. Next, you're going to add in your chicken. I like to use chopsticks to prevent my hands from getting sticky. Now you're going to want to cover your chicken with a little bit more cornstarch and give it a quick little mix to ensure each piece is fully covered. Once they're all covered up, you can use your hands to pick up the chicken pieces and give them a quick little shake. You want to get any excess cornstarch off of your chicken. Now you're just going to repeat with all of your remaining chicken. Once all of your chicken is fully coated, you're going to put it off to the side for about 5 to 10 minutes. We can get our wok ready while we wait. You're going to want to pour enough oil to cover about 3 inches of the bottom of your wok, and you're going to heat it to about 350 degrees. And now it's time to get to frying. Be sure not to put too many pieces of chicken into your wok, as it will lower the temperature, which will not allow your chicken to fry properly. Give it a quick little stir to ensure that all the chicken pieces are nicely separated and not sticking to one another. You're going to want to let it fry until you get a nice golden color. Let it rest on a paper towel lined plate and continue frying until you're all done with all your chicken. Alright guys, well there you have it. There's our popcorn chicken. Before we eat it, we're going to add some of that seasoning we made earlier. Just add as much as you want. You don't have to add too much. The chicken's quite flavorful on its own. This adds just a little bit of a spicy kick to it. Alright, let's give it a try. So juicy and tender on the inside, and super crispy on the outside. Give it a try, super easy to make, tastes delicious. I should probably stop making so much fried food. I'll see you guys in the next one.